rangba ka jilla Konrad Sangma haringkat ka jinge donlang Menteri Ketanat Pule Puthi ka jilla uba Lakmen Rimpoy Chief Secretary ka jilla uba DP Walang haringkat ka jinge senran lang Kiwei Patki Officer kila hiar Shapain Mount School banet Jurip kensan banet pet ya ka jinglong jingman jong kate ka Skul. Menteri rangba ka jilla hadian bola dep ban Jurip Leit ho banakalyang ka Sorkar kan binbha ya ka jinglong jong ka Skul ka bakuntop na du ki pankhana ki kamra class bat ki wei de ki jingdon kam jong kani ka Skul. Ula ong ru banakalyang ka Sorkar kan sawat ki lat ki linti hakabe de ba ka jingdon kam ki kena Skul kamtam ya ka jingdon kam ha ki hostel namor kumbalong menta ki hostel ka baki kena ki sa kamlong ka babyang satya kumba ka de ban long. Bola ong baka Sorkar kan wairu nakabenta katu kat nepor daki hostel shimet ki bedon hajan ke Skul katba om pala bantay ya ke hostel jong ke Skul. Shushu lai thu banakalyang jong u unsalit ban Jurip Kiwei pat ki Skul jong ke Sorkar banlap ke jingdon kam ka bah khamat ban pin bha ya paro ki Skul Sorkar.
So where are you from?
I'm from JJS. Yes.
Which class are you in?
I'm in class 6.
So how long have you been in the hostel here?
For like 4 years now.
4 years.
Yes.
This is your bed?
No. I stay in another dorm.
You stay in another dorm.
We also visit another government schools in the city because I am from government boys, and in government boys there is no library and when toilet is worse than the school. Will also conduct a visit over there.
Sure. We will examine. As you're aware that in the last 3.5 years, we have. I'm saying 3.5. The reason is because we had started the work of the improvement of infrastructure about 3.5 years back. We have done new construction of buildings as well as repair of old government school buildings in almost every school, and we have given a target to ourselves that we will try to touch all the schools, government schools that are there. So definitely what you have mentioned, that if there are any other schools, government schools, which require any kind of major repairs that need to be done, definitely we'll look into that also.
Thank you.
After detailed discussion with the Honorable Education Minister and based on his suggestions, we have decided to come and visit here in Pine Mount School. As we are all aware that there were some concerns that have been raised by parents and the past pupils regarding some issues that were there in Pine Mount School, and this being one of the premier institutes of our state. And in the recent past there have been a lot of issues that have come up out here. So therefore we felt that a site visit and coming and seeing things for yourself would give us a better perspective on the current situation out here. So based on that, we had decided to come here and visit Pine Mount School along with the Honorable Education Minister and other officials, including our Chief Secretary. And we have seen that there are concerns regarding amenities like toilets. So we have taken a decision on the spot that whatever repair has to be done to improve the infrastructure in terms of toilets, in terms of other infrastructures which require repairs will be done. At the same time, we have also seen that the hostel facility is not at all up to the mark, and a lot of things are required to be done. And so we have also decided that in fact there is a proposal already, and the sanction has already been done. The tender processing was taking a bit of time, so I have spoken to the PWD minister in charge building, PWD building, that the tendering process should be completed at the earliest, and within this academic year, within the next academic year, before the next academic year starts, that we would want the construction work of the new hostel building to start. And in the meantime, we'll make temporary arrangements for the students who are in the hostel. And we are looking at multiple options. We'll take a call on that in the next few days' time on how we can temporarily accommodate the children who are in the hostels in temporary facilities around the campus only. So we are examining that too. We have also come and seen this auditorium which has been lying unused. We feel it can be put to better use. So we will be repairing this also and deciding on how we will use it in the future. So this was basically an idea was to, as I said, have a hands-on view of the entire situation out here. We are so also seeing the field out here. This also is in a bad condition. So we feel that an improvement can be done in the field also. So those aspects also will be examined. and other administrative requirements also are there. For example, the offices required for different staff and principal. We'll examine all those aspects also. So the idea was basically to come and see the overall situation out here, and based on the different concerns that have been raised by the public and the past pupils, the teachers, and other managing committee members. So based on all those concerns, we thought that we should make a visit and see things with our own eyes. And based on that, as I said, we are going to take certain steps to improve things.
But even though the students, though they remain in school for long hours, they don't go.
Exactly. So though these are not matters that requires us as a minister and the chief minister and all of us to come, but because even small matters like these are important to us, and concerns of students like this are important to us. So every single thing that we can do to make things better, we will do it. And this entire concern about the toilets not being in good condition, immediate steps will be taken to ensure that they are repaired. But no, those things are allegations could be there. That is something that the department will look into and will give a report accordingly. But as I said, we are not here to look into that side. We are here really to see the way forward. We are here to ensure that we can take steps to improve things. And at the minister's level, chief secretary, and my level, once we come here and visit and take decisions, then things will be done at a much faster pace. So that's really what our objective is today.